is our matooke. I'm gonna mash it to be nice and soft. It's already cooked. Put some salt. I just mashed a little bit, so now I'm gonna mash completely to get that texture and the softness of matooke. We enjoy it with, you know, beef stew. Matooke in the land. Yummy, yummy. Kampala, Uganda, in Boston, USA. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys. I know my husband is gonna be so happy tonight. He's gonna be happy. Yummy, yummy. With beef stew. Alright, guys, let me start mashing. Yeah, so this is my masher tool. I have another one also. I like actually this one more. I'm telling you, it's so easy and good. It's a lot of work. You need muscles, so let me continue. Yeah, so you're gonna put it down here and start pounding. Yeah, that's how it does. That's how you do it. It's not easy to get this good matooke, guys. I'm telling you. Gonna pound for like 10 minutes to get the soft one. Yeah. It's not easy. You have to apply some strength. Yeah. The matooke is done pounding. I'm telling you guys, I'm sweating. It's a lot of work. But all this for the love of this Mr. Eugene. Alright, so it's gonna simmer here, stay warm, and I'm gonna put in the oven while I'm making beef stew quick. Yummy, yummy. So good. My boo is ready to eat the matooke, guys. So you let me know how much percentage I did well, okay? Alright, sweetie. Bye. Ciao, ciao. Matooke day. Yes, our beef is here. I'm gonna make a beef stew, and we shall eat with matooke. It's an oven, staying there warm and good, in a simmering fire. Bye bye, guys, for now, and let's get cooking. Bye bye. Oh yeah, good steak, guys. Yummy. Yes, my meat is already chopped, nice and good. Now it's time to put all the seasoning, lemon, you know, black pepper, ginger, garlic, and others to get cooking. Okay. Yes, our meat is ready. Amen, amen, amen. Yes, let's cook. Fire is ready. It's cooking. We have ginger, lemon, garlic, and other things. We got some lemon juice from lemon fruits, and we're gonna put in our beef to cook. We have ginger and garlic in there. Oh yeah. And we're gonna put some black pepper. This is black pepper. We're gonna put it over here. And salt, of course. And now we're gonna cover it up. Okay, let's check our food. Our meat is cooking. Now we're gonna put this crushed ginger to add tenderization of. Yes, gonna mix our ginger to continue cooking. Oh yes. Let's cook. We're gonna let it get cooked more. Yes, our meat is ready. Our meat is ready. Time to fry and make a sauce. Yes, guys, I tested my meat. It's yummy. And I'm ready to make a sauce, beef stew at home. We have this red onion, we have green pepper, red pepper. We have this good scrumptious grated carrots. We have curry powder, jack for meat, seasoning, tomato is here, and salt. We are ready. We have all the parsley, paprika, black pepper. Everything's ready to make our sauce. God bless us. Let's get cooking. Yes, let's check our sauce is cooked. Yes, let's put some garlic in here. Yeah. And the rest of spices. Yes, good, good. It's so good. Let's mix together. And we put tomato in here. Some tomatoes. Oh yes. And stir a little bit and cover it up. And cover it up. Yes. Our sauce is ready. We're gonna pour the beefs in here. The meat is ready. Oh yes. Oh yes. Our beef is getting ready. I like beef roast, guys. I love beef roast. With ugali or inshima, you call it fufu. Oh, posho. Oh my goodness, I love it. It's my beef stew, guys. My beef roast. Not too thick, and I'm gonna add a little of water just to make sure get some little soup for my little babies. Oh my goodness, we're gonna enjoy with Matooke. And Matooke is ready, nice and warm. Thank you everyone, God bless you. See you next time. Yes guys, Matooke beef stew and vegetable and beans is over on the plate. Guys, my honey is enjoying the food. The Matooke. I think I need to add more Matooke.
My dear, you kill me.
I give you with love now, not with knives. With love now. Hey, let me get more beef stew for you, honey bun. Yes, you add more extra Matooke and beef is favorite, and vegetable and beans and juice and Matooke. Guys, okay, let me end here. Enjoy, sweetie. Bon appetit. Bye bye. Hey, somebody's enjoying chai. Bon appetit. Okay, dear friend, thank you and God bless you. That was for me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Jesus Christ is God and He loves you. Bye bye.